Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing a St. Patrick's Day tea, and it's not your regular loaded tea. It is actually a cleanse. This one is called the Leprechaun Cleanse. I do have many more St. Patrick's Day loaded teas in my recipe book. If you have not purchased my recipe book yet, take a look in the description to this video and you will be able to see exactly how to purchase my recipe book. It is a lifetime book that I will be adding to for forever, and you just pay a one-time fee to have that book and search by products, search by holidays, and the recipes will come up. So let's move on. I did add some water to my tea cup here. This is actually just the mixing cup. And I'm going to add in my orange liftoff. I do crush my liftoff tablet first. So if you did not know that hack, go ahead and crush it. Just roll anything heavy on it. Crush up your liftoff and it will dissolve instantly instead of having to wait for that tablet to dissolve. That's what I like to do. And I just added that to the warm water because warm water also helps dissolve. And then I'm going to grab my lemon tea and I'm going to go ahead and grab my Herbalife measuring spoon, and it's just going to use that small side there, which is a half a teaspoon if you don't have your Herbalife measuring spoon. So I'm going to add the lemon into there with the liftoff, and then I'm going to grab my NRG. Now you can get the NRG in the bottle just like the lemon. I happen to have NRG inside of these little packets because I take them everywhere I go. If we go out to eat, I just throw a packet in with my drink. So I just added my packet there because obviously a packet is one serving. So you can also get that in a bottle if you like the bottles better. And now I am going to grab my Blue Blast. And this is a Herbalife enhancer. So yes, you can use the ones in the stores, but I do get a lot of questions on the one that I use. These are all purchased from Herbalife directly. If you are a customer or a member, get with your coach and they can help you get those flavors. And as you can see, I'm using my Herbalife measuring spoon again and just adding a half a teaspoon of the Blue Blast. And then I am going to use another flavor, which is orange pineapple, very popular with Herbalife. Again, if you have a coach, reach out to your coach. They can help you get these flavors. If you do not have a coach, then I will help you. I will be happy to help you. Just go ahead and comment in here or send me an email at melisawgibbs@gmail.com. And that is Melissa with one E, just like on my YouTube page. So now I am going to add in my fiber. This is the tropical flavor. Yes, apple fiber is very, very, very popular. But with these flavors and this tea, we are using the tropical fiber, and you're just gonna put 1 scoop in there, and that's gonna mix so good with these flavors that we are putting together in this concoction. So our next product is going to be Simply Probiotic. If you do not add probiotic to your teas, I highly suggest you add that into your routine. Reach out to your coach, get the facts. Everyone needs their probiotic, and Herbalife has one of the best probiotics I have ever used in my life, and I've used a couple different ones, but the facts on these probiotics are amazing. So go ahead and get with your coach. We don't talk nutrition facts on these recipe videos. And then I'm going to use my amazing frother that I got from my Amazon storefront. Click the link in my bio and you can see which frothers I like to use best. Can't live without my frothers. I actually didn't know about frothers until one of my YouTube subscribers sent me one in the mail as a gift because she saw me mixing it all the time with spoons, and I just gotta say I will love her for the rest of my life because I am definitely hooked. So get you a frother and an electric kettle if you do not have one. Mine are linked again, like I said, in my bio. So now I am going to grab the cup that I'm actually going to drink out of, and I'm going to just pour everything I mixed right into the bottom of this cup because yes, we are going to add more products. So now that I have my base in the bottom of this cup, I'm going to get some ice and fill my cup all the way to the top, because as you know, if you want to layer colors or have a pretty successful tea with layers, you're going to need ice, and you're just going to fill it up to the top just like you saw me do in this video. Also, thank you guys for liking, commenting, subscribing on my videos for over a year now. All of you are amazing. Share me with your Herbalife family and all your friends so we can keep sharing these recipes. So now I'm going to go back to my glass mixing cup that I have here, and I'm just going to add some cold water to it because this is going to be the top of my tea and I don't want to melt all my ice. So now I have my cranberry aloe, my favorite aloe out of all the aloes we have. Cranberry is definitely my favorite, but since this is going to be a cleanse, we are not going to add your typical aloe of 1 tablespoon. You're actually going to see me add 2 tablespoons of cranberry aloe to this tea, because again, like I said, it's a cleanse. So now that I have my 2 tablespoons of cranberry aloe in this ice cold water, I am going to add one more flavor from Herbalife, which is banana. So again, one more time for the people in the back, if you do not have a coach, I can definitely help you get these flavors. If you do have a coach, reach out to them. They'll be happy to assist you on getting you your flavors from Herbalife. So now that I have my aloe and I have my banana mixture, I'm going to use my amazing frother and mix that up. And I just want to take a second again to say thank you for all of you who have purchased my recipe book. I appreciate you guys from the bottom of my heart. Yes, it is still for sale. If you would like to purchase, check out the description to this video or just comment below and I will reply with how to get your book from me. I will be adding to it forever and ever, and you just pay a one-time fee. So now these are my 2 different cups. I am going to grab my water and just put a little bit, because as you guys know, when I do my layers, I like to put just a little bit of ice cold water in between the colors so that it has a nice little, lining there. So now I'm going to pour my top mix right on the top. And this, my beautiful people, is the Leprechaun Cleanse. It's very green, very cleanseful. I hope you guys love it. I hope you try it, enjoy it. Thank you guys so much for supporting my YouTube channel. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing, sharing. Like I said, share with your team, share with your Herbalife family, and I will be back up on here with lots more recipes in the future. Love you all. Thank you.